Today I'll be reviewing Cara Nail Polish Remover Wipes. So I have this orange pack with me which says it's enriched with olive oil and vitamin E. This pack contains 30 wipes and they are acetone free. This was the main reason why I bought it. So this pack is for 100 rupees. So let's unbox it. It has nice portable packaging. So let's use them now. I'm doing one wipe to clean my nails. Make sure you close the cap immediately to avoid drying the remaining wipes. They have written that one wipe can be used to clean all the 10 fingers. So I'm going to use now. I'm going to put the wipe on my nail and let it sit there for a few seconds. And just clean it off. The nails can be a bit oily after the use, so make sure you use a tissue or just wash it off. I have cleaned my nails and there is no white cast which normal acetone nail polish remover leaves. Overall, I love the product and I'll definitely recommend it. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.